Hi, class. Today we're going to be discussing the Create a Test project activity. The good news to you, this is both the last one of the week, and this is number 7 of all of the project activities that we are discussing. So next week you're going to have 2 more. And so just as a reminder, the main goal of us kind of going one by one, step by step through each of the 9 project activities that you could choose from is to help you make that selection, to help you get an idea of what's expected on all 9 so that you can make an informed decision. So at this point, as you saw with yesterday on the week at a glance, I recommended that you at least started working on one of these tasks. They're going to be due, I believe it should be like 17 days from now. Today is April 30th, and the project is going to be due on May 17th. So, what would that be? I guess, okay, so 18 days from now, this project is going to be due. Um, so at this point, you should already be making some progress. You should hopefully have kind of narrowed down which tasks you want to complete for the project and which ones you would not, and start working on at least the first one, if not the second one. Next week you'll have 2 days to be working on the project, and then the following week, so that would be the week of May 11th through May 15th. You're going to have every day to be just working on the project. But don't bank on that. Don't put this off. Don't procrastinate. Start working now. We've been through again 6 of these tasks. We're doing one today, and then we're doing 2 next week to introduce them to you. So you can definitely start working on at least some of them, especially if you chose the journal. If you chose the journal, you should be working on that every day because you need to have 21 entries, um, and you only have like 18 days left. So hopefully you already have at least 3 that you've been working on if you did the journal. Nevertheless, today we're going to be discussing the test rubric and also a practice activity to, um, yeah, to get you working on that. Um, Hold on, I'm having a little bit of trouble with the video. Sorry. I don't know if I can make the rubric show up on your screen at this exact moment. That's okay. We'll do it without it. So the create a test rubric, as you can see, is right down here. Please open that. You should be able to do that side by side with the video. I'm just going to read from there. You'll notice that the test, just like all of the other assignments, has 10 criteria. It's on a 0 to 5 point scale. It's 50 points total. It's due May 17th. And for this test, you're going to need to have 40 total questions about the novel. That'll be in 3 major sections. You have to have a multiple choice section, you have to have a short response section, and at least 1 essay question. You'll also have to create the answer key for the whole thing, including the short response and the essay questions. So the multiple choice ones can address character, setting, plot, etc. The short response questions can address things like key quotes, themes, or character development. And then the essay question will address even bigger issues like analysis or argument of key quotes and themes. Any quotes that you use need to be correctly cited in MLA format. And then everything needs to be kind of easy to follow, formatted clearly and easily in an understandable way with instructions kind of guiding me through. Yeah, so if you have questions about the project, create a test, if you want to do that assignment, please let me know. My office hours are 10 to 12 as usual. So hopefully that makes sense for today, though. Just to kind of lead into that, you're going to do a practice version. You're going to create a brief test that does have to have an answer key that could be used to test someone's knowledge of The Catcher in the Rye, just chapters 14 through 15. So that's today's reading. And it needs to include the following. It needs to include 1 question from each category. So a true false question, a multiple choice question, and a short response question. So it's a 3-question quiz. Need to have an answer key, and you're going to turn that typed assignment in here. Just a reminder, today you're reading 14 and 15. Your quiz on 8 through 15 is tomorrow. So prepare for that. Again, if you have questions, let me know at office hours, and have a great day.